Observe this one thing. It's seriously hard being single on Valentine's Day because these assholes who are dating come to us and be like, single, 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 single. तू single है? Valentine's Day पे तू single है? And I'm like, duh. I'm single, dude. I don't have Valentine's Day. I only have Make My Hand Strong Day.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
If you're a student in India, I'm sure you have gone through this one phase that is called the board phase. Yes, exactly, you heard me right. These board, SSC, HSC boards. And if you're in 10th grade, you move down from your house, you're walking, and suddenly the watchman is like, बेटा 10th कर रहा है? I'm like, हाँ अंकल 10th कर रहा है. ध्यान से पढ़ना. The काम वाली बात is like, 10th कर रहा है? Like, हाँ आंटी. ध्यान से करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Like, okay. Your uncle, your auntie, your mom, your dad, the watchman, the car wali guy, and all the motherfucking people who even don't know you, who didn't know you fucking existed, suddenly appear and they are like, 10th है. ध्यान से देना. And then I go back. Uncle, आप watchman हो.
Oh no!
Be the most lonely person in the whole world, who's always alone 12 months in the year. 12 months. You don't know, you have no one, but suddenly you will become popular. Every single person will know you. Yes, and that's on Friendship Day. Friendship Day. You walk on the road, you freaking walk on the road, and there will be strangers, people whom you have never met, you've never seen them, you've never known them, you don't know who the hell are they, but they know you suddenly because it's Friendship Day, and they start screaming, hey. I'm like, हाँ dude. Friendship Day, bro. Happy Friendship Day, bro. Band. You pen number band, yaar. You're my friend, bro. So I'm like, dude, I don't know you. Bro, याद नहीं क्या यार स्कूल में तूने मेरे को इरेजर दिया था. नहीं ब्रो. ब्रो शार्पनर भी दिया था तूने मेरे को पेंसिल को जो टूटा हुआ था.
Oh no!
You know, I like how everything in India actually moves with business, you know. You have any festival, you choose your festival, any festival you want, and you will have sale in it. Holi bolo, Holi sale. Diwali bolo, Diwali sale. Christmas bolo, Christmas sale. And the best part is, we have only two patriotic days, and you know that. Republic Day and Independence Day. And Indians won't even leave that. रिपब्लिक डे सेल है. ए चलना यार रिपब्लिक डे सेल है यार. क्या तू यार चलना 5% ऑफ मेरे को मेरे लुंगी पे मिलेगा. क्या यार तेरी वजह से वो गया ना तो तू देख तू. There will always be this one asshole friend who cracks the most silliest and the most dumbest joke possible in the human history and human mankind. Yes. So I have this one friend who comes to me one fine day and he's like, Ryan, ये बादाम खाने से क्या होता है? So me thinking straight, thinking in the most intellectual way. Obviously यार ऐसा मैं फालतू को आंसर तो दे नहीं सकता. I have to sound smart. I'm like बादाम खाने से क्या होता है? दिमाग बढ़ता है, right bro? दिमाग बढ़ता है. And he takes this one dramatic pause and he's like, दिमाग बढ़ता है. And I'm like, तो फिर क्या होता है? So this person बादाम खत्म होता है. ध्यान से देखिए इस वीडियो को क्योंकि ये वीडियो है गाइड आपको लेके जाने को बॉलीवुड टीवी सीरियलों में. Yes, this is a guide for actors and actresses who want to work in the Bollywood TV serial. Seriously, Hindi serial. But okay, अगर आपको कहना है तो मैं कौन हूँ आपको रोकने. So, all you got to do is have a face like, not like this obviously, not like this, come on. So, first of all you need to ever do is cry, but merge it with begging. And your hand gesture should go like that, like you're shaving your beard. So, something like, and the Bollywood serial production itself will do everything with the sound effects. guys ever thought if Indian ads had to have a spoof on them, how would they be? Prega care. अब टट्टी से पता लगा आपका बच्चा कितना काला. Raymond, the best expensive shit a common man can never buy. So I don't know if you guys have observed this, but sadly I have to live with the fact that I have a long nose. But that doesn't matter to me. But there are these people in the world, in my nation especially, who come to me and they are like, Lammanak! Lammanak! Iska to Lammanak hai, Lammanak! Okay, that's fine. Okay, fine, okay. Pinocchio? 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 Okay. So savagery at its best. I gotta reply to them. I gotta do something to these assholes, right? So I be like, बहुत लंबा है एटलीस्ट वो 1 सेंटीमीटर मजा को तो जो रोज हिलाता है उससे तो बहुत लंबा है. People have this wrong assumption that a good hotel depends upon the good food that they give you, the good service that they provide to you, but hell's balls to that. That's not at all true. Ghanta, that is true. The thing that depends, that makes an hotel awesome AF is the last bit that they provide to you. सही सोचा आपने. Sop, mukwas. Dude, I go to Five Spice and in my head, man, this hotel is awesome, man. I'm gonna blow my minds out, man. I'm such a foodie. But nope. I eat that food and at the end, I'm expecting mukwas as usual and I'm like, God, I'm gonna be so happy, dude. But no, they gave me the 1 rupee fucking chocolate, and that is not 1 rupee. Screw 1 rupee. That fucking Atena wala chocolate, bloody cherry flavored wala chocolate. How dare you give me that shit instead of mukwas? Where the hell is my mukwas, dude? Where is my mukwas? One thing that happens when Indians go to the restaurant, they can't wait shit for anything. As I go into the restaurant, the chef, the service members, the waiters, the jo bhi mere ko pani dete, everybody should be fucking flash. Mere ko jaldi aana chahiye because I'm an Indian. I can't wait, man. I need it fast. So the hotels were like, oh shit, abhi kya kar rahe? We are so screwed, yaar. So they be like, abhi kya? So they invented this amazing thing called as Time Pass. And Time Pass, believe me, Time Pass is nothing but Szechuan and fried noodles. But Indians, right? Mentality free mein mil raha hai. Free mein mil raha hai. So they were like, come on, we gotta make this shit famous. And this thing went hit. Everyone wanted Time Pass. You go to a restaurant, they're waiting like Time Pass. Like Szechuan, the fried noodles. So now this became a habitual thing for Indians. But now when you go for a high level hotel, they don't give you fried noodles and Szechuan. They give you vegetables. So Indians were like, मेरा टाइम पास किधर है? सर ये टाइम पास है. ये टाइम पास नहीं है. सर ये टाइम पास है. ये सलाड है, सलाड. Now being live used to be a very important thing, and years from now it used to be a very precious thing, because only news channels like IB and CNN could go live, and when they used to go live, we knew it was something important. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. You see what it did there? And we knew that life meant important. Something we had to see, something that was precious. But recently, as technology progressed, we had something called as the YouTube Live, and it was good. It was not that bad. When YouTubers went live, all the fan engagement increased, and we were like, "Oh my God, live! Yeah, we live, yeah. Sapan live, yeah." Everyone went live, and we were like, "Okay, cool." But now, you know what I'm talking about. What the hell is Instagram Live? ये क्या है Instagram Live? Any random person that I've watched goes live. Oh my God, scratching my bum live. Oh my God, shaving my beard live. Killing someone live. Talking live. Oh my, I am not interested to see you live.